what's up guys? Just here. As the race for opening called EZM 21 back. Alright, you're looking for a shoe for a shot. Over the scissors or your heads. Let's see what I got. The code card. It's like energy. Pressure. Okay, we got a Roofy. Sizzle Stop. Boil. Goes to fire. I can say that. Yeah. Trio. Pumpkin. Heat more. Oh, drizzle now. That's the first hollow. And a Cinderace. Rare hollow. Wow. Cool. This is so cool with the foil. Wow. It's Cinderace with HP 170. Powerball, your opponent's active Pokemon is now burned for 50 damage. And Burning Kick, discard all energy from this Pokemon for 160 damage. This card, you can see it. Look at that. It's a foil. Cool.
Wait, what? Oh,
Okay, see you tomorrow. Over Resident Evil Pack. The 22. Well, bye. Services.